So I got this HP Officejet 6500 wireless printer from a relative. They said that it was broken, they can't fix it, it's not working, they don't know what to do. So I went online and just Googled this and saw it on YouTube videos. But however, they did not show exactly how to fix this. So I'm using a combination of a few of the examples that they gave to fix it really quickly. You know, less than about 5-10 minutes I got this working again. Now what I discovered was that when it says continuous paper jam on this display here, it's not really a paper jam. I noticed that because when I open this up, you can open this up here, you see how the head moves freely here. It comes out into the middle. It did not come out in when I was trying to open this up and fix it. It would continuously stay here. So I noticed that, well, I think this is broken. So, you know, I fiddled around, I put my hand underneath here to see if any of the ink cartridges were like stuck there or acting funny. And no, I don't think that was the case. So when I looked online, they said to, you know, take this whole thing apart here. You know, and they showed me examples how to throw it apart, pull it apart. And I said, no, that's not good. That's not good enough for me. I'm not going to do that. So what I did is, you saw enough of the instructions online. They said to take this apart. This basically snaps off if I can pull it off. I just pull it out. It's actually quite stuck in there. So I pulled it apart. Now if you zoom into this mechanism part, you know, people were talking about this mechanism and how this goes in and out. Well, basically, I discovered that when they want the printer head to go out, this mechanism will go in, and then this wheel here will turn this white cog. And I found that in my case, that this white cog here, that one there, was stuck here. And when this wheel trying to turn that, it would jam. And so sure enough, what I did is I just got not a battery, but an actual screwdriver, and I pushed this wheel ever so gently back and forth until it loosened up, until this mechanism here can turn this wheel and open and push this open and move that freely again. Something with the mechanism, maybe it's getting old, maybe it needs oil or something. It's not opening, it's not turning this wheel was stuck, this white wheel here, this cog. So anyways, after I did that, I closed this. I don't need to even close this up. I made sure I opened this up again, and sure enough, when I opened it, this starts to move again, and the paper jam area here is not there anymore, and I can print as normal. So thanks for watching the video, and if you like this, I'll put up more videos similar to this, how to repair, do some interesting things. Thank you very much.